Okay. Fucking finally got him. Did some squirrel hunting with my crosman Phantom. I thought of my new BSA 4x32 scope. Okay. So I did it from here to that fire pit, which is probably about 9 to 10 years maybe. And I was doing some just planking, well, target shooting with my Crosman Stinger P9. Okay, I bought this gun about, well, it was in my very first video pretty long ago, and I did some mods. Took apart my shotgun, my Remington TAC one, took the spring, put it right there, and also have the Stinger P9 spring sitting right in the black part, so it's fucking compressed. And I'm shooting heavy 0.30 gram BBs. And it's shooting roughly, I don't know, close to 300 and 350 FPS, so it's a fucking kick-ass pistol. And I'm shooting some. Then I had this, my crosman out, just in case if I seen any animals like rabbits, squirrels, birds, crows, magpies, whatever. And when I started shooting, I heard this little guy. Don't mind the BBs. He's all around there. I didn't shoot him at the squirrel. I was just shooting at the tree, and I had a pop can here earlier. So got him. Okay. This squirrel is pretty big. Shot him with the Crosman Phantom. Standing right here. And he was right in the middle of the screen. Right there. Okay? Dropped him. Only had one shot left with these Hatson pointed head pellets. They're 14 grain. Shot him. Dropped right there. Got him right there in the neck. Or shoulder area. Right there. Dropped him. Okay. Now I ran out of pellets. I only had 2 pellets left. And shot him, and I missed. He was right there on the ground, right where my pistol was. I missed a headshot. Barely missed. Right over. So I went inside. Well, ran inside. There's my mom's purple flip-flops. Really fucking soft. I know that sounds gay, but whatever. And grabbed my Chinese rifle, my B1/1, 450 FPS. Grabbed the Crosman, 7.9 grain pointed pellets. Blasted him twice in the head. Shot him right there, underneath the chin. Right in the chin right there. And he's still like doing this. And twitching. So I put one right there in his neck. Finished him. If I'm not mistaken, that looks like a lung shot. Low lung. Maybe clipped the heart. That's why he didn't die right away. Well, yeah, skin him up. Take his pelt and tail. Give the meat to the cats. Or eat it, because there's not really much meat on them. So, yeah. See ya.